Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video by yours truly, India Taylor. As y'all can see, we got a situation going on here. We have an updo going on here. We have another wig install this video, and this time I installed a 360 wig. Remy Forte hair sent me this beautiful 26-inch wig, 360 lace straight hair texture wig. And y'all, this is my first time ever installing a 360 wig. I will show y'all what it looks like in the video. It's not the best, the back at least, but the front is eating. This wig touches my butt. Basically, it's so long and so full and so thick. I actually love it and I can't wait to wear it down. But for the purposes of this video, I did do an updo to show y'all the whole 360 look. But yeah, I'm in love. As y'all can see, the lace looks really good. I did have an inspo picture for this look. I'll insert it right here so y'all can see how well I did matching it. I think I was spot on. I will explain everything that I did to it later in the video. But yeah, if y'all would like to see me achieve this updo in this style, please just continue watching. I enjoyed doing this. It was very fun and I think it came out really cute. So yeah, if you want to see me do this style, just continue watching and like, comment, and subscribe before you continue watching. Bye. Hi you guys. Alright, so as I've explained in the intro, today we are doing this wig install with this hair from Remy Forte. This is the wig. So as I explained, it is a full 360 wig, 26 inches. She's giving. Let me show y'all inside the wig a little. So there is this elastic band in the back with the little sticky things to keep your wig secure, and of course the clips. But also the wig has these little plastic thingies, and inside the wig there's like this that goes all around, and you can pull, I don't know if y'all, yeah, you can pull the plastic to make it tighter and adjust it, and just pull this down and it makes it tighter as well. So I'm gonna utilize all of that to make sure that my wig is tight and secure, because like I said, we are doing an updo, so it needs to be tight and secure around my head. The wig did come bleached in the front part, and I think it came a little bit plucked, but I did go back in and I did bleach the knots all around. In the back, I honestly didn't leave the bleach on that long, so these knots are still a little bit visible towards the back, but that's fine. And then of course I went in and I put in some makeup that is my shade, so she should be all good. Also, I just have on a regular cap. I didn't really put makeup in the cap because there's makeup all in the lace. I made sure my hair was gelled up all around. But yes, okay, now I'm going to start installing. I think I'm gonna be really focused on this one, so I'm not really going to talk much. I'm just let y'all watch me do my thing. It's basically my normal wig routine. I have in-depth videos if you actually want to see it talk through, but I'm just gonna do my normal routine. It's just that I'm putting lace spray in the back and laying the back down as well, and actually doing an updo style. So yeah, let's get into the video.
With the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe bitch with jail toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Gang glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Gang glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Gang glow, curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Gang glow, say they get money, but I can't tell. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tag low, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag low, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Tag low, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Tag low, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Tag low, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Tag low, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Tag low, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Gang glow, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Gang glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Gang glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Gang glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Gang glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Gang glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Gang glow. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tag low, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag low, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Tag low, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Tag low, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Tag low, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Tag low, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Tag low, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe.
Okay, I'm just gonna explain this part so it's not confusing. So in order to do the updo, okay, I finally got everything in a ponytail. Y'all, this has been stressing me out, I'm not gonna lie. Difficult, a 360 is very difficult, but I'm trucking through. But so for the updo, as you can see, I got it in a ponytail. So what I did was I took the middle of that ponytail and I made a little bun, kind of like if you're gonna do a donut bun. Actually, no, that's not a good example. Okay, so I had the ponytail and I parted out the middle of the ponytail and I just have the perimeter of the ponytail out, and I took the middle and I put it in a little bun, and what that's gonna do is create a base for my updo. So I'm gonna curl the perimeter and pin it where I want it, and that's how we're going to get the volume because we created this base first. So I'm just pinning this down randomly. It's obviously not perfect because it's literally gonna be hidden inside. But I'm going to curl the perimeter and then pin it up and attach the pieces to the base. But yeah, so I'm gonna start curling the perimeter and pinning it up, and hopefully that makes the style. But yeah, continue watching and hopefully this goes well. Okay, so it's all curled, so at this point I'm just gonna start taking the pieces and pinning them up and leaving certain pieces out to give that like messy curly look.
I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I finally finished everything, and this is what she's looking like. Y'all, I tried with the back. I tried to lay the lace in the back with the 360. I'm gonna show y'all, but I know it doesn't look the best. It's back there, it's laid, but it don't look the best. And I will say, the way you braid your hair for a 360 makes a difference as well, because since it's laying flat in the back, you should be braiding your hair up in the back and back in the front, if that makes sense, like kind of braiding it into a ponytail. But I just have regular wig braids, regular straight back, so it's kind of like bulky back here, and then it created that like bump. But yeah, I tried, and it is laid, but it's not the best. But the front looks good. She's tea, she's tea. I've never done an updo like this, and I really like it. I think it's really cute. But yeah, this is the finished look. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I love you. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. All the wig details will be in the description box as always, and shop with Remy Forte, because I will say I was cutting this wig a lot, so that's the only reason a lot of hair was coming out. But when I washed it and stuff, wasn't shedding much. She's long, she's thick, the lace is tea, as y'all can see. Shop with Remy Forte, and also I thank them for sponsoring this video. But yes, I love it. I feel so cute. All right guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.